أهلا وسهلا to learn Arabic with Manar. Today we will learn how to wish good night in very different and special ways. We will see how to say good night in formal ways and also informal ways. We will see also a way how to wish good night in a passionate way to people that you care about. Yalla, let's start. Let's start kind of formal. We will use for that Leyle Saide. Leyle Saide. It means kind of good night. We use it like this, but we don't use it when someone is going to bed. We use it like around 8 to 9 o'clock when you are leaving and you want to wish the other person to have the rest of the night in a happy mood or a happy situation. So you use Leyle Saide. Let's break it down. Leyle, it means night, one night, and it is feminine because it has ta marbuta, h at the end. Saide, it is the adjective of Leyle. It means happy, and we need the feminine adjective here because Leyle, it is feminine. Saide. Leyle Saide. Let's see how you could use Leyle Saide. You could use Leyle Saide when you want to greet someone, you have a kind of formal relationship with them and you are leaving and it's not time to bed and you want to wish them to have the rest of the evening in a nice way. So you will say Leyle Saide. Also you could use it with your friends when it's not time to go to bed. If someone wished you Leyle Saide, how you will reply to this? Simply, you will reply with the same phrase. When someone says Leyle Saide, you will reply Leyle Saide, Leyle Saide, Leyle Saide. So as I said, we don't really use Leyle Saide when it is time to go to bed. For that, we will use تصبح على خير. تصبح على خير. تصبح على خير. What does it mean? Let's see together. The actual phrase doesn't say anything about night. It refers to the morning. Why? Because as you know, and we all know this, if you woke up in the morning in a good mood, your whole day will be good. If you woke up in the morning in a bad mood, your whole day will be bad. That's why when someone is going to bed, we wish him to wake up in the morning with a good mood and a good situation. تصبح على خير. So, تصبح, it is a verb in Arabic. It doesn't make sense in English, maybe in other languages it exists, I don't know. Leave me a comment to tell me if it exists in your language. تصبح, it means the person when he's waking up in the morning. That's the actual verb. And when I say تصبح, I mean you. The prefix t, it refers to you in this verb, and it comes from sabah. Sabah, it is morning. Ala, it is the preposition on. We use it here like to wake up on a good situation. Khair, it means good. We saw also khair in sabah al-khair. When we talked about good morning, you could check it over here. So, the literal meaning of تصبح على خير, may you wake up in the morning on a good situation. I know that doesn't make sense in English, but the feeling here, I wish when you open your eyes in the morning, may you be happy. That's it.
تصبح على خير ليلة سعيدة ليلة سعيدة تصبح على خير.
When you are talking to a woman, you will say تصبحي على خير. We add the suffix e at the end of تصبح, so we form the feminine. تصبح to a man, تصبحي to a woman. تصبح على خير to a man, تصبحي على خير to a woman. Let's see how you could reply to تصبح على خير or تصبحي على خير. If you are talking to a man, you will say وانت بخير. If you are talking to a woman, you will say وانتي بخير. Let's see each word. U, it is and in the Levantine dialect. Inte, it is you in Arabic, and it is masculine because, as we said before in another video, you in Arabic, it carries gender. So we want inte to a man, inti to a woman. بخير, it means in good. Be, the prefix be, it means in or with. It depends on how we use it. بخير, خير, it means good. So, what does it mean altogether? It means altogether, and may you also be good and happy. Now, what if you want to wish someone in Arabic sweet dreams? How you will say it? Let's see. You will say أحلام سعيدة. أحلام سعيدة. أحلام, it means dreams, and it's plural. It is kind of the broken plural, irregular. So for this, because أحلام, it is irregular plural, we will use the adjective singular feminine. So we will use سعيدة. سعيدة, it is happy. As we say ليلة سعيدة, we use سعيدة because ليلة, it is singular feminine. But here, even if أحلام, it is plural, because it is broken plural, irregular, we will use the adjective to be singular feminine. سعيدة. أحلام سعيدة. Sweet dreams. Because always we want to know how to reply to someone when they are wishing us something. So for أحلام سعيدة, there's not exact answer. You could just reply with شكرا. شكرا, it means thank you. We talked about it in the thank you video. You could check it there. أحلام سعيدة. شكرا. Now, what if someone you really like and you care about and you have feelings for them, and you want to wish them to go to sleep and be so happy and so satisfied in their sleep? Here you will use the phrase نوم الهنا. نوم الهنا. What does it mean? نوم, it means sleep. The sleep itself. الهنا, it is bliss and joy. So, when someone is going to sleep and you really care about them, you are wishing them to sleep so deep, so calm, and get all the benefit that they want from this sleeping, and to enjoy their sleeping to the maximum. This is the meaning of hana. We use hana when you are enjoying something and you getting all the benefit that you want, like eating or sleeping or watching anything. It gives you joy and happiness. نوم الهنا.
نوم الهنا يا عسى ونوم الدلع يا سير نوم الهنا يا عسى.
So, what if someone wished you نوم الهنا? How you will reply? You will say يهنيلي ياك. يهنيلي ياك to a man. يهنيلي ياكي to a woman. What does it mean? يهنيلي, as we say, it comes from hana. Hana, it means to have all the benefit, all the joy, all the bliss of something. Let's break it down. يهنيلي, it means may he give you bliss and joy in everything in your life. Who is he? Here it refers to God. Even if we don't see the word God here in the phrase, but it's understood from the general meaning. Whenever we are wishing something in Arabic, we are always asking God for these wishes. So, yak and yaki, it's used in the Levantine dialect to refer to you when you are the object. يهنيلي yak. It means this joy and bliss will come to you. You are the object of the verb. نوم الهنا يهنيلي ياك. نوم الهنا يهنيلي ياكي. So this is some of the ways how to say good night in Levantine Arabic. Which one do you like most and which one are you going to use? Let's discuss about this in the comments. I'm waiting for your comments. Now let's go over all of the phrases that we learned today. ليلة سعيدة. Good night. The reply will be ليلة سعيدة. تصبح على خير. May you wake up happy to a man. تصبحي على خير. May you wake up happy to a woman. وانت بخير and you too to a man. وانت بخير and you too to a woman. أحلام سعيدة. Sweet dreams. The reply will be شكرا. Thank you. نوم الهنا. May you have a blissful sleep. يهنيلي ياك. May you have bliss also to a man. يهنيلي ياكي. May you have bliss also to a woman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and more lessons are coming about wishes in our life, birthdays, marriages, and big events. So make sure to subscribe not to miss any one of them. If you liked today's video, give me a thumb up, share it with your friends. I'm waiting for your comments. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram so we keep in touch. Yalla bye!